are indeed a beautiful and mesmerizing. They are also the perfect examples of the Fibonacci sequence, from pistils to petals and from leaves to the stems. Every part of the flower follows a unique Fibonacci number to produce an intricate design. So come, let's take a look at some of the flowers that exhibit Fibonacci sequence in its true sense. First is a sunflower, a classic example of Fibonacci flowers. The mathematical patterns found in sunflowers is a spiral. Sunflowers are most loved by mathematical biologists as this bee. Beautiful flower shows the Fibonacci pattern in the most classical way. In sunflowers, the spirals in the center follow the Fibonacci sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and 144. In fact, there are two series of curves that wind in opposite directions, with seeds positioned at a certain angle from each other to create a beautiful spiral. These spirals pack sunflower flores as tightly as possible to maximize their ability to capture sunlight for the plant. Next is the orchid flower, another beautiful example of Fibonacci flower. The mathematical pattern found in orchid flower is a bilateral symmetry. Fibonacci appears in orchids. It's in the petals and in the designs on the flower. Most orchids have 5 petals. The orchid exemplifies bilateral symmetry and the Fibonacci sequence in its floral structure. Bilateral symmetry or zygomorphy means the flower can be divided into mirror image halves along one plane, enhancing its appeal to pollinators and optimizing productive efficiency. In the leaf of an orchid, we can see the golden ratio within it, so not only can it be connected to the flower itself, but also the plant as a whole. When we measure the flower with the spiral form, it lines up almost perfectly. Fibonacci is indeed a direct connection to the beautiful orchid. Fibonacci appears commonly in flowers, but the orchid is such a unique design that holds Fibonacci within its complex design. The center flower and the petals all represent Fibonacci.